Imagine you're preparing to run a race, and suddenly the organizers tell you, hey, you can only run with one leg, by the way. Okay. And imagine that you won. Let me tell you about Nike's one-legged masterpiece.
Take the stage, take the water, take the track and the field. Take the fan mail, take the online marriage proposals and tabloid hysteria. Take the upset, take the odds-defying win against the favourites at their own game. Take the knocks, the blows, the heartbreaking disappointment and life-changing second chance. Take the backlash, the criticism, and being written off by people who think you're just a kid. Take the hopes of a nation, the weight of 60 million silent prayers, and the nights in a cold sweat wondering why you ever signed up for this. Take the risk of losing your pride and the chance of winning it back again. Take the once-in-a-lifetime, never-to-be-missed opportunity. Take the glory, take the pain, take the lot. As this time will never come again.
It's the 2012 London Olympics, and you're the CEO of Nike. Basically, the Olympics told Nike, you can't use any of the athletes. You can't even say anything Olympic related. You're the CEO, and everyone's asking you, what the F are we going to do? You look to your global head of marketing. She then looks at her direct report, who then calls their favorite agency partner. Let's key in on one person here, the main director, Lance Aker. Previous projects include Being John Malkovich, Bill Murray's Lost in Translation, both considered instant classics in the film world. Roll the clip, ChatGPT.
There are no grand celebrations here. No speeches, no bright lights. But there are great athletes. Somehow we've come to believe that greatness is reserved for the chosen few, for the superstars. The truth is, greatness is for all of us. This is not about lowering expectations. It's about raising them for every last one of us. Because greatness is not in one special place. And it is not in one special person. Greatness is wherever somebody is trying to find it.
Wow. So what am I trying to say? I'm saying that's the formula. Think about it. While Adidas owned the games, Nike owned the conversation. It wasn't about sports. It was about humanity. And because they backed it with world-class storytelling and filmmaking, the campaign cut deeper than any highlight reel could have done. Seeing this, a small group of us took that formula to Portland, Oregon, to cover women's roller derby. We took storytellers, we took the best cameras in the world, and we took a budget that was, and we were surprised at the outcome. I'll give you a hint. Whoopi Goldberg.
Rebels, sports has sold its soul, but a group still fights for something real. Go to Portland and find a new hero.
What's up,